see the proposed land use plan of the you all have prepared
It's not a land use plan.
Not a land use plan.
of Margam.
Yeah, this is not a
No,
land
I
use
wanted to see that.
that is with the PDA. This is a vision plan which is usually given to get funding for larger projects. Like if we decide to do
Ma'am, there is no land use map in PDA. It's
Yeah,
just,
you correctly
it's
use
just,
the
it is just
full
like how you have given us a black and white thing. That's what is there in the PDA. You said, and I quote here, that it is based on the ODP. I believe the first step of the ODP is the land use map. Which year ODP are you talking of?
The current ODP,
Which one?
Which got approved right now. That one.
Now I'll tell you a history. That ODP is based on a land use map of 2028 ODP, and that 2028 ODP along with the land use is under challenge as of today. So how in the High Court,
How can you go ahead?
BIL 65 of 2019. So going ahead, we are going to destroy both the ODPs. Then what happens to this plan of yours?
How many people are staying over here? How many houses? Or you got a water requirement, electricity load, road, garbage, all these things. Without all this data, how can you plan all these things?
Just mention to us the stakeholders that you all have consulted while preparing
So we
this
started off the plan
because the general impression is that only the stakeholders which were assembled at Nanodel
Are the
on
builders lobby?
28th of January 2024, those were the limited.
Arranged by
I have RTI
Then how you-
information where the G Soda as well as the municipality denied that they have arranged. They have said that studio board has arranged.
We are Madgaonkar fools.
You are only going to spoil your name.
You have done a blunder. You have done a blunder by inviting very few who are supposed to be the stakeholders, who are builders and the other lobby who are interested in their personal lands. You have invited them during the first meeting. You should have invited us, the public. And today, after the plan is over, they are inviting us.
Please, I'm waiting for that answer. The stakeholders that you have consulted.
so Madgaon Municipal Council, few members we met. We came to the engineers in the council, the municipality.
They have not done the audit report at all. And what information they are going to give you? I have this RTI information. They have not done.
On behalf of the municipality, I would like to thank you very much for
What is the conclusion?
conclusion is still there. You have to give your feedback.
Conclude with that you are going to come to the ward, all the wards, 25 wards,
25 wards.
and listen to the people, and then only draw this. Correct? Right? Fine. So we end up the bottom line of this is this. Correct?
Thank you very much.